Yeah, I've been using this laser level here for almost 20 years. It has been doing a pretty good job, but of course it's not a digital level and the laser is pretty weak. Also the attachment possibilities are pretty limited. So I figured after almost 20 years it would be time for something new, and here we have it. Huge improvement regarding pretty much everything. Of course I have to admit that I got it for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details, all the features, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. I've used it already first time and it was absolutely awesome, but let's now get to the details. The brand is PREXISO, and as far as I know that's a Swiss company, so at least the design is made in Switzerland. So let's see what we get here. We get the instructions manual, but I can tell you already I've been using it for the first time without even reading it, and it was absolutely no problem to use it. That's very, very important. And so if you're not using this every day, maybe only after a couple of months, again, you don't want to be stuck with reading instructions manuals for hours. So it comes nicely protected here and it's an absolute beauty. It has a very solid build, even some edge protection. Inside you get also some stickers which we can use to attach it directly to the wall if you like. By the way, it has officially 3 different possibilities to mount it, but actually I think it's an understatement. I have found at least 5 different options how to attach it to a wall or to something else. We get also this really nice convenient carry and storage bag, even including standard USB-A to modern USB-C plug. The port to open nicely protected here in the back, and I've already charged it with USB-C, and also awesome is that it even charges with super modern USB-C to C, even with PD charge. So definitely confirmation that we have a very modern device here, and then we get also this attachment here which includes even the pins. You can remove them here. Has also a magnet here inside and this opening to attach it to a screw or use a nail. But let's get back to the attachments a little bit later. So here again the difference. Main difference of course, here we have to guess really hard when it's straight. I mean, it's somehow possible, but definitely not very easy. There's also no edge protection, and the main difference here, when I turn it on, you can see how weak the laser is. So huge difference to this one here. And so to compare, I activate this one here and start the laser with this button here. You can see the huge difference. This is amazing. This one here barely visible, while here even in bright light we have a really awesome super strong light. You can see how far this goes here. Absolutely amazing. So also this one here has been able to put a nice mark here, but only very far away. But when it comes to a closer distance here, then it was super hard to see. So huge advantage that we have already super solid red mark here, super close. So I'm definitely done with this one here. But of course, like that, it's not measuring. We have to hold it somehow in an upright position to show you the functions, except from the laser. The laser I will show you at the wall. We have 2 angle ranges. Now we have activated the 90 degrees angle range. You can see no matter what I do, it's always showing the angle within 90 degrees. You can see what we also see here is that the display is nicely changing when we have it flipped over. And now with a long press, you can see here I've switched to the 180 degrees mode, and so now it can show up to 180 degrees deviation from the horizontal line. The level is pre-calibrated, so usually no need to do that. If you have the impression that you need to do that, you can see that here there's a little bit of instructions. Here, I think here somewhere in the center described how to do that. So probably this table is not absolutely straight, so how can we deal with that? If we need to measure deviation from that, we don't have to recalibrate it actually. That's the awesome thing. So we can zero it. We just short press here, we see the S blinking, wait for a couple of seconds, and then it will show the zero, and everything will now be the deviation from this one here and not from the perfect horizontal line. I can remove it just with short pressing here. We have also different modes now. It's in degrees, but we can switch to percentage or millimeters per meter or inches per feet. These 4 modes. We also have a hold. So if you have to measure a difficult situation, maybe a little bit far away inside of something, you just press hold. You can see we get the H, and then it freezes the display exactly like that. Press again, and then the hold is removed. We also have an acoustic mode when we long press here. So you can see now no warning, but as soon as we get close to straight, horizontal or vertical, like this one here, or again then this one, then we get this really nice acoustical information. Of course it works only in upright position, but it has also an included warning, so if you would try to use it tilted, it would give you an error message. We have 2 super strong magnets built in here as an option for fixation. You can see that here, really super strong underneath, and also same thing here in the back. And we have 3 different laser modes. So when I press here, first one goes to the left side. I press again. Then we have one straight up, press again. Then we have the 2 of them, and press again turns off. And now regarding the fixing methods, I could put it here, maybe use an existing nail or screw, or we use the included pins here, just push it and stick it to the wall, this one here and this one. The awesome thing is it doesn't really matter if you put it like that or like that. It doesn't have to be straight, because after that you can still rotate this laser level freely. If you don't like the tiny holes from these pins, then use some masking tape. I've been using this option yesterday. Just put 2 strips, one on the right side, one on the left side, over these extensions. Here has been working absolutely awesome with 0 holes, 0 residue. And there's even another option. If you have some decent studs with metal behind the drywall, you can even use it directly like that, just with the magnet here. Just try a little bit around. I've been able to use that now a couple of times. And now the big winner, of course, you can see that here because of the digital display. When we have a 0.0 degrees, then we know that this laser beam here is exactly horizontal, and this one here is exactly vertical. An absolutely awesome design, well implemented device, super easy to use, even with some extra protection here. Buttons are awesome. Maybe you can find something better than that for a couple of hundreds of dollars, I don't know. But in the normal consumer range, this is absolutely phenomenal. I really haven't found anything which wouldn't be perfect. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the links to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also a great gift for somebody who's doing some home renovation or some other stuff. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.